You know, guys, this case that happened in Altfontein in the Free State is like so crazy. Sometimes you ask yourself, would people are fighting from the grave or what's going on? That is why I always say, guys, even in the sense of me, the sense of me, case, I always say, you know what? Sometimes not even sometimes don't play with people's blood, guys. Abanye abantu, they will show you flames. Buka manje 2 years later, you thought, oh my gosh, no, I'm happening and I'm above the law. Nothing is gonna happen to me. Just as much as this is allegedly until people are proven guilty in court. They are actually appearing in court today. So IPD arrested 9 police officers for an unaliving of a police officer that happened back in 2024. Constable Mojalefa Borole was shot after attending to a domestic case. One person actually came to Balfontein police station to say, okay, my cell phone has been stolen. He went there. He took on his own because what happened was that then he called for backup. Obviously, this is why the other police officers came. We're not sure how many, but the 9 are the ones that are actually arrested now. Apparently, it was a young woman that actually came to the police station to report a cell phone there at home, Uliwa, which means then maybe one of the family members took a cell phone. There was basically a domestic violence happening in that house. And then when Barule came, there was a fight in the house, but he was shot there. I think he was actually shot by the police, the 9 police when they came, allegedly. So there's been like different versions of the story until the IP got involved in. Let's look at this. This is just crazy now, you know. It happened actually on the 22nd of September in 2024. These police will actually appear today, a court on the 13th, while the ConstMojalefa case is also coming back. So I'll report back again maybe during the week what happened to them. Are they gonna tell us the truth or what happened on the day? Like how you see with the ConstMojalefa case, because I'm just like, when Kelly and them are going to tell the truth? We more than they must just tell us. I they are the ones that were in the house, guys. We are not there, you know. So the 9 police officers are facing 4 charges of unaliving because the 3 members of that family, after they reported the cell phone being stolen in the house, 4 of them were unalived. They shot, basically. And this police officer, Constable Borole, was also, Mojalif, was also unalived in that incident as well. So I think IP has been investigating because there's been a lot of narratives about this case. What actually happened on the day? So IP is just like, no, let's arrest them, lab, because the stories, they differ, they change every day, and 9 people, guys, are not gonna tell the same story. Please, let's get that right. Even if it's 2 years later, they're gonna tell different stories. I think they've been investigating them, they've been speaking to them, they've been speaking to the communities and the family of the other 3 people who were shot on the day. What happened here? What's going on here? You know, the community in Jelapane Pelfontaine is shocked, and people were just talking Gutinji. It's not right. And everything basically is unfolding now, and it's allegedly, like I said. Thank you so much, guys, for always watching this channel. I'm trying to grow this channel. Actually, appreciate you guys so much. Ngintanda over. Please also check the other channel. What's the Tea? Siyahlaziya. Thank you.
The Independent Police Investigative Directorate has arrested 9 people, or rather 9 police officers from the Balfontein Public Order Policing Unit in the Free State, who are linked to the alleged murder of 3 civilians and one of their own. That's Constable Mojalefa Borole. The murders occurred in September of 2024 in Pahameng Township in Balfontein after public order police members responded to a call of a domestic dispute where family members were allegedly involved in a fight. Our SABC News reporter, Makhala Masiteng, has more on the story.
We are still here in Beltfontein following the arrest of 9 police officials at the Beltfontein police station. They've all been taken to Welcome for holding cells. Of course, they are expected to appear on Monday on 4 charges, or 4 counts rather, of murder charges at Beltfontein. This is in connection with what happened in 2024 in September, where they were responding to a case in the location where 3 civilians were shot and killed, including the 4th person, who is one of their own, who is a police officer. Hence, the IPIT came into the picture with the investigation, and following those investigations, then it has led to the arrest of 9 police officials. But we are just talking to some of the community members. I'm standing here with the chairperson of the CPF here in Beltfontein, Ntate Mashiane. Thank you very much for joining us. Talk to us. We've just heard, of course, the arrest of 9 police officials here at Beltfontein. And of course, you work with police as you are part of those who are fighting crime in the location.
Yes, thank you very much. I attended one of a community members' funeral in Palming. Then I heard this disturbing news. Then I came to the police station to find out what is happening. So that is that 9 police officials are arrested pending that case of 2024. Now I'm devastated because those are, they had their families, they have their children, they have whatever it can take. Now, when they are arrested, the services are retarded because already in Beltfontein we have shortage of police officials. But I can't stand on the way for the law to take its course. Yes, ma'am.
We're just talking about the implications that happens, of course, in line of duty, as we see these police officials are being arrested in connection to what they allegedly did during their work back in 2014. Just what was your first reaction when you heard the news of this arrest?
Yes, as I have just said, I'm very much disturbed. I never thought this thing will happen. Hence, I said I'm not the one who's going to stand in front of the law to take its course.
But this, of course, will have a huge impact on the work of the police, as you said, that there's really already a shortage of police here at Beltfontein.
Yes, indeed, because in Beltfontein we are facing the problem of drugs. We are facing the problem of dacha. Now, of late, the shootings in Beltfontein, community members are shot. Now it needs a lot of police, at least to perform their duties, because in the shortage of the police, there's a problem, ma'am. Serious. Even today, there are people coming from outside to attend funerals. Others, they just got an accident. We need police to attend those kind of things. Now we are in shortage of them.
Thank you very much. That is George Mashiane, who is the chairperson of the CPF here at Beltfontein.